Want to get more out of Windows Clock? The Clock app in Windows 11 includes alarms, timers, a stopwatch, world clocks, and focus sessions to help you manage your time and stay productive. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Windows Clock in 2026. First, open the Start menu and search for Clock. Select the Windows Clock app to launch it. If you use Clock regularly, you can also pin it to Start or the taskbar for quick access. Let's start with alarms. Open the Alarms section and create a new alarm. Choose the time, give it a name, select which days it should repeat, and choose a sound. You can also control how long the alarm should be snoozed. Next, open Clock to check different time zones around the world. Add locations for cities you regularly communicate or work with. This is especially useful when working with people in different countries. The timer feature is perfect for workouts, cooking, study sessions, or any task that needs a countdown. Choose a duration, start the timer, and let Windows notify you when the time is up. For tracking elapsed time, open Stopwatch. Click Start to begin counting. Use Lap when you want to record intervals, and select Stop when you're finished. You can reset the stopwatch and start again whenever you need. Finally, try focus sessions to organize distraction-free work periods. Set a focused duration, choose whether to include breaks, and start your session. This can be useful when studying, working, or completing important tasks, and that's how to use Windows Clock in 2026. With alarms, world clocks, timers, a stopwatch, and focus sessions, the Clock app can help you manage your time and stay organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.